Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So today I am going to revise this MCQ. Already I have taught you that chapters, unit 1. Okay, the best Christmas present in the world and the poem, the ant and the cricket. Now revise here, arrange for you the MCQs. Let's start the MCQs. Okay, choose the best option among the ones given below each question. There are MCQ 10 MCQs are given here. See the first MCQ. The first MCQ is the narrator bought the desk from a junk shop because the narrator bought the desk from a junk shop because what is the reason to buy it to this? This is the reason. Option D. The narrator could not afford a new roll-top desk. That is why he bought a desk from the junk shop. Okay, option D. In the second, I began work on it on Christmas Eve. In the above sentence, it stands for what? It stands for what? Junk shop, the garage, the roll-top desk, or the drawers. That the answer C. The roll-top desk. The roll-top desk, the narrator start the work on Christmas head of what? Of the roll-top desk. Okay, option C. Now the third one, the narrator found a shallow space below the secret drawers when he pulled out the last drawer. First drawer, second drawer, he easily opened it, but at the last, in the third drawer, he pulled out the last. He stuck, that was the stuck, the drawer was the stuck, and he pulled out the last drawer. Okay, and in it is a secret drawer. Number 4, January 25th, 1915 was the date on which Jim's letter came to Connie. That was the date mentioned, January 25th, 1915. Okay, number 5, according to Jim, a Christmas morning should be what? Christmas morning should be cold and frosty. Option A, cold and frosty. Now number 6, but the truth I am ashamed to say is that Fries began it. Germans began it. In the above sentence, Fries refers to what? Fries refers to German soldier. What? A German the German soldier. Okay. The Christmas celebrations were initiated by what? Initiated by the Germans. Germans started. Okay. He brought it something. Okay. Number 8. Jim's first reaction to the Happy Christmas by the Germans was one of the surprise given by the Germans to the Britishers. Okay, number 9. Snaps is what? Snaps is a one type of what? One type of German wine. One type of German wine. And sausage means what? Sausage means a slice of meat and bread in the box. Okay, so this is the MCQ of chapter 1, the best Christmas present in the world. Now comes to what? Comes to that poem, The Ant and the Cricket. See the first MCQ, multiple choice question. Here the first MCQ is the passage. The passage is taken from what? Which lesson? Geography lesson on the grasshopper and cricket, the ant and the cricket, the duck and the kangaroo. The poem talks about what? The poem is about the ants and the cricket. So the answer is C, the ant and the cricket. The two qualities of the cricket describes here. Which two qualities describe here? Foolish and singer, wise and singer, foolish and a writer, intelligent and speaker. So the two qualities were foolish and singer. Option A. The weather in the poem is how was the weather? The weather is cold and dry. Option B, cold and dry. Accustomed means what? Accustomed means used to. Accustomed means used to. Then next. Okay, who was suffering from starvation? Who was suffering from starvation and famine? Who? That was the ant, the cricket, the poet, a man. A man is not described in the poem. So who? The poem is described about the ant and the cricket. So one of them is here, the starvation and famine. Here one of them suffering from starvation and famine. So who? The cricket. Who? The cricket, because he wasted his time for singing and dancing. That is why. Okay. Why was he dripping with wet? Why? Because he had no shelter. That is why dripping with wet. He roamed here and there. That is why. What did he expect to get from the miserly ant? What he wanted, he expect to get from the miserly ant. What he expected? He expected food and shelter. If the ant gave him food and shelter to him, that was the expectation from the miserly ant. What does the word grant means? What? Grant means here to give. Grant means here to give. Okay, next here. See, what do you think that of the ant's behavior? What was it like? What was it like? It like what? A servant, a friend, both, or neither? What do you think that the ant's behavior is? Neither. Not a friend, not a servant, not anything. So neither. Then next second, what do the ants not do according to the passage? The ants don't borrow, neither borrow nor lend, don't lend or don't help. So the ant neither borrow nor lend from anything, from anyone. Okay. Number third, the ant scolded the cricket because he never lent, he never borrowed, he never saved, he was foolish. So that was the answer. He never saved. The ant scolded him, cricket. Why? Because he never the cricket never saved anything. That is why the ant scolded him. The word quoth. Quoth means what? Quoth means said. Quoth means said. Then next here, who lifted? Who lifted the wicket? Who lifted the wicket? That is the answer of this MCQ is the ant. Option A. The ant lifted the wicket. Why did he lift the wicket? Why? Because it was so light, because he was tired, because he wanted his visitor to go, because it was cold, because he wanted his visitor to go. Who? The ants. Ants wanted his visitor. Visitor whom? The cricket. That was visitor wanted to go out. Okay. What does the poet mean when he says that some crickets have 2 legs? Some crickets have 2 legs. Why does the poet say that? Okay, options. These are some strange cricket with 2 legs. The poet dislikes all crickets. The poet is referring to people who do not save for a rainy day. All men are cricket with 2 legs. Okay, what is the answer of the third one? So the answer is the third. The poet is referring to the people who do not save for a rainy days. That refers to the men. Okay. Number 4. The word fable. Fable means what? Fable means story with moral. Fable means story with moral. That is the answer of the MCQ. Okay. So this is the revision of the unit. Unit 1. Unit 1. Chapter name the base Christmas present in the world, and the ant and the cricket. I hope you understand about this MCQ related this the chapter the base Christmas present in the world and the poem the ant and the cricket. Thank you.